Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of PTC ads watching website or mall grabbing website. So you can use it as mall grab or PTC website, you can use it as both. So this is the latest design in market, which means that nobody in market have this design now. So don't waste your time and let's contact me and buy this script from me. And if you need this complete website, we will provide you the complete website. So as you can see that it is in completely mobile app view and you don't need any coding to customize it. Means it is with admin panel, you can change complete details from admin panel. So it's very easy to use and easily customizable. So let's log into our user panel and see how it looks like, and I will also give you the demo of its admin panel. So if you don't have an account, you must have to register on the site. So let's go to register page. So I will show you this page, and this is the simple register page. You can easily register on website. Now I already have an account, so I am clicking on login to log into this website. So here I have to enter my username, sorry, here I have to enter my email, and after entering email, here I have to enter my password, and I have to click on login. So it will log me into my user panel of this website. So here you can see that this is the amazing user panel. You can see that this is very amazing and it's very easy to use and customizable. You can change this banner, you can change everything from admin panel. So here you can see the option of recharge, withdraw, invite, download, and you can see the line of that is running. It shows the latest transaction or plan by on this website. So here you can run the latest notices from admin panel, and so this is the home page. Now let's go to a plan page, and this is a plan page. You can customize these plans from admin panel, and it's very easy to use and customizable. So you can see all the plans. To subscribe this plan, you simply have to click on rent, and you can easily rent the plan, which means that you can easily buy this plan. So here you can see that we have successfully subscribed to plan, and here you can see through your tasks that after subscribing your plan you will get. So these are the tasks that we get. You can see that when we complete our task we will get $10. So you can easily change currency to any currency. For example, you can convert it in INR, PKR, or any currency, NGN, and any currency you want. So here I am using it in dollar USDT. So you can convert to any local currency from admin panel. It's very easy to use. And here when I go to share, so here you can see your referral link. When you invite users, all those users emails and details will appear here in this section, and you can also earn from different referring people. So I'm going back, and let's go to a user section, and this is the amazing user section. Here you can see that status, and it shows the plan that you have subscribed, which is plan 11. It will show your ID. You can easily recharge, withdraw, plans, tasks. You can see everything right here. So I'm going to recharge. To recharge money, you can configure any gateway you want from admin panel. It can be automatic, it can be manual, USDT, TRX, any gateway you can easily configure. So here you can select amount, or you can enter any other amount in this section, and you can choose gateway and you can deposit money. So there is only one gateway, which is my local gateway, but you can configure any gateway. I will show you how you can configure it from admin panel. So now let's go back, and here from withdraw section, same as the case with withdraw. You can configure any gateway for withdraw. You have to type withdraw amount, and you can select the gateway method, and you can easily withdraw money from this section. So here you can see plans, task. Here you can see your total balance, total earning, approved, pending withdrawals, total withdrawals, and here you can see all your details right here. And if you want to change your details, you can go to this settings option and you can change your account details from here. So viewers, this is the user panel and this is the overview of this website. Now let's go to its admin panel and let's see how its admin will looks like. So viewers, this is the admin panel of this website. So here we have to enter our username to log into our admin, and we have to enter our password. So I'm entering my password, and I have to click on login to enter to my admin panel. So it will redirect me to my admin panel. So here you can see that our admin panel has opened successfully. First of all, here you can see your total notifications right here. here you can see total users, total active users. So it's very easy to use and manage. You can see everything right here on the admin panel. You can see total deposit, recharge, ads, views, or everything you can see right here in this section. So let's explore it. So I go to this option, and from banner option you can change the banner of this website. So you have to simply go to banner option, and you can simply edit this banner, and you can remove this, or you can add a new banner to this website. You can add your own banner. And here from announcement option you can change the announcement from this section, and you can easily change it from here. You just have to simply change the text and you have to submit it. And so from news posts, you can insert different news posts on your website that I show you on the website. And from referral commission, you can set up the referral commissions of different levels. So here you can see that you can set different levels of referral commission. And from subscription plan, you can change the plans, or you can insert a new plan of your website on your website directly. So here's how you can easily insert a new plan. You just have to click on new plan, and you can easily set up plan by filling these simple details. So these are the PTC ads. So you can see all the PTC ads when you go to click on active, or you can click on all. So here you can insert new PTC ad from add new option. You just have to simply click it, and by filling this simple detail you can easily add a new ad on your website. So you can manage all the ads from this section. From manage user section, you can manage the users on the website. You can add the balances to their account. You just have to simply click on add new, and from here you can easily add balance to their account, subtract balance. You can see everything about it. You can change the details from this section. So this is the user section, and you can verify them. You can verify their emails, mobile numbers, everything you can do from here. So here you can see that there is a payment gateway option. There are automatic payment gateways as well as manual gateways. So you can add any gateway you want. You just have to click on add new, and from add new you can add any of the gateway from this section. So it's very easy to use the gateways on this website, and you can insert any gateway you want. From deposits, you can approve depending deposit, approved deposit, successful deposit, rejected deposit from this section, and you can see everything about deposits. So same case with withdraw, you can approve them, or you can create a withdraw method from here. So from sport ticket, user can communicate with admin, or admin can communicate with user using sport ticket. From general setting, basically you can change the site name. So you can change site name, site currency, you can change it from here. For example, if I want to convert it to RS, and I will use PKR, and you can change your time, site color from here. And when I will click it, it will change the currency on our website easily. So you can change the currency easily. And from system configuration, you can turn on and off different settings of the user panel, and you can do it from here. So let's go and explore some other options right here. And from logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website. So from here you just have to select logo, and you can easily change this logo from here. So this website, if you want the script, do contact us on WhatsApp and Telegram. Both links are in description. You can contact us, and we will give you the complete website. So you can insert any language on the website. You can manage SEO. From ad setting, you can configure different ads on your website. And from notification setting, you can set up email settings, global setting, SMS setting from here. From manage pages, you can insert multiple pages on the website. So from here you can manage different sections that are on the website. And this is all about this website. And it's very easy to use, easy to manage, customizable. You don't need any coding knowledge to run this website. So if you want to buy the script, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram, and we will give you the best script. And if you need the complete website, we will build this complete website for you on low price. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.